Alright, so I've been working on the alternate screen names. So here we go. We'll sign in.
Welcome.
Jesus, man, that was loud. And so was that. Okay, so screen names can be accessed through keywords. So you can push Control K, type names for the names keyword. It brings up this dialog. And create a screen name. Everything else right now is pretty much just not working. The only thing that's working currently is create a screen name and delete a screen name. The other ones are not quite there yet. So right now I'll show you the process for creating a screen name. So we'll start and so you guys recognize that old dialogue? I know, I'm excited too. So we'll start off with we'll try and create my screen name that I'm already using just so we can see what happens. So we get this dialog. The name you requested is already used. Please try another name. So if you hit OK on that, and then if you try to do the same name again, it actually loads another dialog with a bit of alternate text at the bottom where it says the screen name you have chosen is already in use. And then it'll provide you with an alternate one that it actually used from the one that you tried, but it did a bunch of random crap server side and checked the username store to make sure that it was available. So that one is available. So we'll just use that. So we'll hit enter. Now it wants you to enter a password, so we'll do that. Hit enter. Now parental controls. Uh, Currently at the moment, none of this does anything. It's purely aesthetic right now. So we'll just click 18 plus. Click OK. And there you go. Your new 18 plus screen name has been added to your account. So slapped ULB, and it just provides with just basic information. This is all original AOL text from when you would create it. So custom controls do not work right now either. I can't quite remember exactly what the custom controls went into, but I think it allowed you to change passwords maybe and do something with the PFC, the personal filing cabinet or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's disabled right now. So you click OK, and then if we are to sign off,
Goodbye.
God, that's loud. Oh, my eardrums out. I'm gonna turn that volume down because it's killer. Oh, and yeah, so the sign out screen now has new information here too. So there'll be a bit of a quick blurb at the top, and thank you for trying Peel. These the links, while the links, you can click them and it'll reload, try to relog you in, but the actual URLs are not supported by the server right now, so it'll just give you a message, but I'll show you that in a sec. And then you have spent 2 minutes online. Your pricing plan, this billing cycle is for unlimited use. So these are all original. Well, the time spent is an original type of message that you would see, and then these two here are added from me. But anyways, I wanted to show you now that we've created those accounts, there are actually in here. So slapped ULB. Currently, right now, the login process, like I just finished creating all the code and all that for creating and deleting the accounts, but I haven't wandered into the verification steps right now. That's the next process, but yeah, so that'll be the next process after all this. But okay, so I'll show you. I can click this and it'll try to log me in, or it will log me in, I should say. But then it just lets you know that those the URLs are not supported. So now we'll do a delete. So control K for keywords, type names, delete screen name. Basically just says lets you know that it's maybe irreversible and you might be able to re-enable the screen name after 6 months. That's something else I haven't implemented yet. So the foundation is there. I have it storing the screen names that are deleted, but I haven't wandered into the actual restore process yet. So that'll also be next. So we'll click continue. More bits of dialogue letting you know, and it shows you the one alternate screen name that we had. So we'll make sure it's collect or selected. Click delete, and there you go. SlapView LB has been deleted. So now to verify, we'll sign off, and it's no longer in your list. So yeah, all that's working. Yes, yes, I'm so happy. I've spent far too long on it, but you know, I wanted to make sure I had it all bug free and working. So yeah, so the next thing will be I'll probably wander on to the sign in for the alternate screen name. So I'll work on that. And then once that's done, I will probably move on to the what were the options there? I'll probably move on to well, I forget now. What the hell is it? The brain. Yeah, restore a screen name and then update screen names on my computer. And I'm not exactly sure what this update screen names did. Did it like allow you to change the passwords, or was it more of a just a refresher from the server? So you'd click that and the server would send you all of the account information, so it was stored in the database. I don't know. I don't know how any of that worked. I don't recall. So yeah. Yeah, so if I select this again, yeah, you'll see there's nothing there. So close. So yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. I'm working.